So I just purchased this collapsible magic microwave popcorn maker. I really love the idea, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And I already have a microwave popcorn popper that I've had for years and works really well, but it's kind of bulky. So this one I like that it's the collapsible. I can just kind of store it anywhere. All right, so it's got the directions, which are really pretty basic. Okay, so we're going to go over those a little bit. And then I've got the lid and then the bowl. So the bowl is all collapsed up. So let me go ahead and unfold it. Yeah, I can do it. Okay, got it. All right, and then the lid is kind of strange because it goes in and you would think it would like stay on top, but it goes all the way in. Okay, and there it is. All right, so you're going to go ahead and put either a quarter cup to a half cup of popcorn. There's no oil in this one, so that's what's really great. Low-calorie snack. Go ahead and put the lid loosely on top and stick it in the microwave. And it says anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes. I'm going to go with 3. Okay, and start it up. And there it goes. All right, so it's a little less than 3 minutes in my microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And it popped up really well. You can see the lid came off the top. Close it up. And yeah, there it is. Looks yummy. I like to add some low-calorie seasoning. So I do the butter-flavored spray, some nutritional yeast, and then the tahini chili lime seasoning. So yeah, there it is. Got it and ready to enjoy.